In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn on or enable sticky keys on your ASUS laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings here. Go ahead and select that. On the left panel, select accessibility. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down underneath interaction and select keyboard. And then underneath sticky, filter, and toggle keys, there should be a sticky key option near the top. You can just toggle that to the on position, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.